Hey folks, this is Rob DelMastro with the Massachusetts Small Business Development Center at Clark University. We want to tell you about a new program that we're starting. It's called Tech Talks with Rob at MSBDC. It will be on the first and third Thursday of every month from noon to 1. And come when you want, anytime during the hour, and ask me a technical question. No questions too simple, too stupid. Just ask, and I will do my best to give you an answer. So if you've got questions about what's the difference between Gmail and Office 365, or how do I connect my domain to my email, or how do I write a formula in Excel or any of the Microsoft platforms, even cybersecurity questions. If you've got a tech question, come on aboard anytime between noon and 1 on the first and third Thursday of the month. And I'll be there and I'll do my best to answer your questions. So let's do this.